So another output type of question based on random numbers. You are provided with a program and you need to say out of these four options which is the correct option or correct options. Whenever you answer an output type of question, first memory should be allocated for the global variables above the main function and outside all functions there are no variables. So program does not contain a global variable. Step 2. Execution of a program starts at the main function and it ends at the main function. Randomize is given for the proper working of random function. VAL is declared as an integer variable. Assignment operator right to left. So random of n returns a number between 0 and n minus 1, both inclusive. So random of 3 returns a number between 0 and 3 minus 1, 0 and 2, both inclusive. So here either 0 may come or 1 may come or 2 may appear. So these are the possible values 0, 1, 2. So what are the possible values in variable VAL? If I take 0, it is 0 plus 2, 2. If I take the 1 here, it is 1 plus 2, 3. And if I take the 2 here, it is 2 plus 2, 4. So in variable VAL, the possible values are 2, 3 and 4. After this, control goes to next line. When you see square bracket, understand that it's an array. The data type is character, so it is array of characters. Size of the character array is not given, so it must be taken as number of characters given here plus 1 for null string. So how many characters are there? 3, 6, 9 plus 2, 11. So here 11 characters are there, which means the size of the character array is 12. So I need to allocate 12 member locations for this array. So 12 member locations are allocated and this initial value comes in this character array. You can see all the characters are inserted and the last character is null string. Now after this, control goes to next line. A for loop starts from this area, I is equal to 1. So I is equal to 1. Now after this, automatically control comes here. VAL, 3 possible values are there. Let me start with the first possible value 2. So now VAL taken is 2. So 1 less than or equal to 2, condition true, control comes inside the inner for loop. A for loop always starts from this area. VAL taken is 2. So J is equal to 2. Your J contains 2. Now after this condition checked. So 2 less than or equal to 7, condition true, it comes inside. Now see out output operator guess of 2. So this is guess of 2. So in the computer's monitor you get C. Now control will not come here because for the inner for loop there is no opening and closing curly bracket, which means for the inner for loop there is only one statement, this cout statement. So after executing this, control will not come here. After executing this, automatically it comes here, J plus plus. So J becomes 3. Your J became 3. Now after this condition checked, so 3 less than or equal to 7, correct, inside. Cout output operator guess of 3 and this is guess of 3, D. So in the monitor you get D, this one. Now after this, it will not come here because here there is no opening and closing curly bracket. So this C out is not part of the inner for loop. So after executing this, automatically it comes here. J incremented, J becomes 4. Now after this condition checked, so 4 less than or equal to 7, condition true inside. C out output operator guess of 4 and this is guess of 4 E. So here you get E. Now after this again it comes here J incremented, J becomes 5. It became 5. Now after this condition checked, so 5 less than or equal to 7 true, so inside C out output operator guess of 5, it is F, guess of 5. So here you get F. After this again J incremented, so now J becomes 6. 6. Now after this condition checked, 6 less than or equal to 7 true inside C out output operator guess of 6. So this is guess of 6. So here you get G. After this J incremented, so J becomes 7. Now after this condition checked, 7 less than or equal to 7 condition true, so it comes inside C out output operator guess of 7 H, guess of 7. So here you get H. Now after this again J incremented, so J becomes 8. After this condition checked, 8 less than or equal to 7 condition wrong, you exit from the inner for loop. When you exit from the inner for loop, control comes here and because of this end L, cursor goes to next line. So hereafter, I will not execute the inner for loop because the meaning of inner for loop is all the characters from index 2 to index 7 should be displayed followed by end L. Anyway, after executing this, control will come here, I incremented, I becomes 2. After this condition checked, 2 less than or equal to 2, correct? So it comes inside. So meaning of this one is all the characters from index 2 to index 7 displayed. So this is index 2, C. This is index 7, so H. So here you get C, D, E, F, G, H. And because of this end L, cursor goes to next line. Now the inner for loop is executed, I is incremented, previously it was 2, now it became 3. Now 3 less than or equal to 2, condition wrong, so you exit from the outer for loop. So when VAL is taken as 2, the correct answer is option number 2, this one. Now let me take the next possible value for VAL, VAL as 3. So VAL taken 3. Now memory should be allocated for the character array as before, no change. Now for loop, initially I is equal to 1, so this becomes 1. After this it comes here, VAL taken is 3, so this is 3. 1 less than or equal to 3, condition true, it comes inside, inner for loop. VAL taken is 3, so this is 3. J is equal to 3, so your J becomes 3. Now the meaning of inner for loop is all the characters from index 3 to index 7 displayed. So this is index 3 D, this is index 7 H. So all the characters displayed. Now no need to continue this forward because there is no option starting with D, E, F, G, H. So I can stop this one here. So VAL is equal to 3 stopped. Now let me take the next possible value of VAL. VAL as 4. Yes, VAL taken 4. Now as before, memory should be allocated for this character array. No change. For loop starts from this area. So initially I is 1. So your I becomes 1. After that control comes here. But VAL taken is not 3, it is 4. Yes, it became 4. Now 1 less than or equal to 4, condition true, it comes inside the inner for loop. VAL taken is 4. No need to execute this because all the characters from index 4 to index 7 displayed. Before that, let me make J 4. So here J becomes 4. Now, the meaning of this one, all the characters from index 4 to index 7 displayed. So this is index 4, E. This is index 7, H. So all the characters from E to H displayed. Yes, all the characters displayed. And because of end L, cursor goes to next line. Now after this, control comes here. So I incremented, I becomes 2. After this, condition checked. So 2 less than or equal to 4, true. It comes inside. Now the meaning of this one, all the characters from index 4 to index 7 displayed. So this is index 4, E. This is index 7, H. So you get E, F, G, H. And because of this end L, cursor goes to next line. Now after this, automatically control comes to I plus plus this area. So here I is incremented, I becomes 3. Now after this, condition checked. So 3 less than or equal to 4, true. So it comes inside. Now inner for loop meaning is clear. All the characters from index 4 to index 7 displayed. So index 4, E, index 7, H. So here you get E, F, G, H. And because of this handle, cursor goes to next line. After this, again control comes here, I plus plus, I becomes 4. After this, condition checked. 4 less than or equal to 4, condition true, it comes inside. Inner for loop, all the characters from index 4 to index 7 displayed. So again you get E, F, G, H. So here one more E, F, G, H. And because of this end L, cursor went to next line. After executing the body I plus plus, so your I becomes 5. Now after this, condition checked. So here 5 less than or equal to 4, condition wrong. So you exit from the outer for loop. So when VAL is taken as 4, the correct answer is option number 3. This one. So this is when VAL is taken as 2, you get option number 2. When VAL is taken as 4, you get option number 3. So the correct answers are option number 2 and option number 3. A second part of the question is there. Also write the maximum and minimum values that can be assigned to variable VAL. So in variable VAL, the maximum value that can be assigned is 4 and the minimum value that can be assigned is 2. So maximum is 4 and minimum is 2.